Hi everyone. Welcome to another lesson in French. Today we have the sounds PL, which is P plus L. In French we say PL, PL, PL. We have un couple, un couple, which is a couple in English. Un parapluie, un parapluie, which is an umbrella. Here, there is an E at the end of parapluie, which is mute. That's why it's in green. We have un plat, which means a dish. And then also here, you can notice there is a T at the end of plat, which is mute. You don't pronounce it. So you just say un plat, which means a dish. Une plante, a plant in English. La pluie, which means the rain. Also here, there is an E at the end of pluie, the rain, which is also mute. So you just say la pluie, pluie, pluie. And then we have here, s'il te plaît. There is a T at the end of plaît. Also, s'il vous plaît. But they both mean please. So you can put it at the beginning of a sentence or at the end. So here, s'il te plaît, that is informal. So let's say you're talking to a friend, a colleague, but here, when it's informal, it's formal. S'il vous plaît. So if you are talking to, like, let's say a teacher or someone you just meet for the first time, if you want to speak in a formal way, you can use that s'il vous plaît. Puis-je avoir, which means please. We have example, we have Prisca ouvre son parapluie sous la pluie. Here, you can notice there is E at the end of parapluie. Also here, la pluie, E at the end of la pluie, which means Prisca opens her umbrella under the rain. Here, parapluie means umbrella, la pluie means the rain. S'il te plaît, which is informal. Goûte mon repas. Also here, at the end of the repas, we have S, which is mute. S'il te plaît, goûte. Also here, goûte, there is an accent on top of the U. The OU in French is OU. So that's goûte mon repas, which means please try my meal. Another example, Paul, which is a name, prend une plante dans un plateau. Here you can see prend, which is like a carry or Paul prend, and then there is a D at the end of prend, which is mute. You don't pronounce it. So en in French is un, prend. une plante dans un plateau, which means Paul carries a plant on a tray. Another one, le couple s'est marié dans le temple. Temple. So here, which means the couple got married in the temple. So, s'est marié, they got married. And then there is an accent at the end of the E, on top of the E.